How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can log in into the Costco Citi Card using our online account. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing is you may just go to citi.com or download the application from Google Play Store or any of the App Store. You may just use any of your devices in order to log in into the Costco Citi account. So what you're going to do is, as I said, I'm using a citi.com in one of my browsers, and you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to log in, what you need to do is when you see this interface on your home screen, what you can see is this sign in option very easily. So simply tap on sign on and it will redirect to another page where you can log in or sign in. If you don't have an account, simply tap on sign in and you may just sign in using your login credentials, and you should be able to do it. After you have signed in, you'll be able to find a login option. Simply log in and you need to enter user ID and password only, and you will be directly taken into the citi.com official page, and that's how you basically log in into your Citi account very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.